Hello guys, today we will examine the Notre Dame du Haut Ronchamp project with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's move on to the video. Notre Dame du Haut Ronchamp, one of the most important examples of 20th century religious architecture, is a Catholic chapel. Built in 1954, the chapel is considered one of the most beautiful and extraordinary works of the famous architect Le Corbusier. Notre Dame du Haut Ronchamp is located on Bourlemont Hill near Belfort in eastern France. The chapel, which can be seen on all four sides of the hill, was rebuilt instead of a pilgrimage church destroyed during the Second World War. Adopting modern art and architecture, the building is defined as the first building of Expressionist architecture after the Second World War. In the chapel, built of concrete and stone, which is the remains of the original church, the modular system, which Le Corbusier developed using average human dimensions and golden ratio, was applied as in all buildings. Notre Dame du Haut Ronchamp, in the form of a sculpture with its walls, roof, and ground slope, is quite powerful and complex, although small. The main part of the fabric, in which materials such as concrete, stone, wood, cast iron, bronze, enamel and glass are used, consists of two concrete membranes placed at 2.26 meters apart. Its thick and gently curved walls extend up to 3 meters thick. While the walls have served to support the huge roof, they also function as acoustic amplifiers that reflect sound from the altar. The towers made of stone and covered with cement domes further strengthen the sculptural appearance of the structure. The windows placed on the western wall of the building for lighting provide an extraordinary visual effect to the chapel and create a strong religious image. Different sized windows are distributed to the wall with a system based on the golden ratio. The 3-meter thick walls around the windows were made inclined at different degrees towards their center, thus allowing light to enter the chapel from different angles. Some of the windows have light-colored glass, while others have red, green and yellow stained glass. Reminiscent of ruby, emerald and amethyst, the stained glass looks like jewels placed on the wall, giving the building a rich effect. Daylight illumination is provided by non-stained glass windows. The most striking part of Ronchamp is its sloping roof that stretches towards the sky. Imitating the curves of an airplane wing, the roof appears to float above the building as it is supported by pillars embedded in the walls. The 10-centimeter gap left between the walls allows a light strip to form. Made of concrete, thermally insulated and waterproof, the roof is lined with aluminum and stands on a concrete pillar. Notre Dame du Haut Ronchamp, under the representation of a private foundation and still occupying an important position as a pilgrimage church, welcomes 80,000 visitors every year.